boys and girls, the Junkman here. And I'm just doing a little real quick video. Hold on a second. My wife's going at it. Let me close the door. There we go. Just a quick video. I wanted to show you all Junkman's homemade chicken pot pie. Let's get in there close so y'all can check out. This puppy just came out the oven. It should be still bubbling. Oh man. Oh man. See, this one of them real pot pies. Ain't one of them dry. You get it out the store, it's all dry and the peas be all bitter. And I mean, this joker it's got fresh peas, fresh corn, fresh potatoes. You know, I got all my herbs and spices in there to make it taste real good. Look, it's bubbling over. It's bubbling over. Got fresh dough on top of that bad boy. Yes, I'm over here like Betty Crocker in the house right here. Check it out, y'all. Look at that chicken pot pie made special by the Junkman. Just a quick video. If enough people want to see the recipe, this is one I'll actually let you have. So if enough people want to see it, just say so in the comment section, and I'll make a video where I show how to make Junkman's home style chicken pot pie. This is the Junkman cooking out.